2 years. Actually, more than 2 years. It took me more than 2 years to finish this Vader figure. It is unbelievable. And it's unbelievable how good it turned out. Hello and welcome to MudbrainsTV Do It Yourself. Finally, the Vader thing is over. I started the first live stream in which I wanted to build Vader on August 6th, 2017. It took over 2 years to finish it. And just for everybody that has never seen any of the streams, and that will be like nearly everyone, here's a short rundown of the first 55 hours. It's just a minute. I love the figure of Vader since I was a little child, and it hasn't really stopped. Yeah, I have quite a lot of Vader toys for always when I see one on the flea market or wherever, then I pick it up. Some really beautiful ones. There's some important ones, like the classic Vader with a vinyl cape. This is the one from '77. And then there's really ugly ones, like where they tried to pass them off as He-Man figures. Yeah. There was no movie out at the time. I think it was like 95, 96, some around that. And then all of them were muscular. Even Princess Leia was muscular. It looked ridiculous. The most out of character action figures that there were. And here's my son with his Vader helmet, which Daddy bought. It was a bit too small for me, and it was only 2 pieces. And yes, before there are any kind of comments that are mean against my son, yeah, it's a blue lightsaber, but fix it in post. Fix it in post. Okay. My Vader. Here's the helmet. I will first show you some close-ups and some very neat effect shots, and then I will talk a bit about it. Welcome back. I hope you liked it. I like it very much. I especially like the X-ray effect that was done with a motion control camera that I built in the last year. Now here is the Vader helmet. But you've seen much better pictures of it recently. But here I just want to show what the design goals were. The main thing was that I wanted it to be life-sized and that I wanted it to be wearable. And I will try it now. I know it will look ridiculous, for I'm so not broad-shouldered and this is not black and I'm not David Prowse. David? I think it was David Prowse. But I just want to show that it's possible. And maybe I'm making a fool of myself, for it's not really easy to get this color thing on. Okay. Here. Look, I wanted to see once with my own eyes. Then this mask here can be pushed in, and there's two magnets back here that should kind of hold it in place. And then there's I can't see the direction of the helmet, but I think this is right. Yeah, this is the Vader helmet, and the nice thing is I can look out from the inside, and I will show you. Whoop, woof. It works, it works. For I have, can you see that? Yeah. I drilled hundreds of little holes into the eye cups, and this way I can see a little bit when I'm wearing it. Here now I'm filming to the monitor, and yeah, you can even make out YouTube or stuff. So it's possible to look from the inside to the outside. Here, look at all this amazing detail. Yeah, as you can see, I'm quite happy with it. So I always wanted to have a helmet that I can put on 4 pieces, as the real helmet is. And all this done from cardboard. Never underestimate the power of cardboard. But now this helmet is just one half of the whole thing. This helmet just realizes its full potential once it is paired with the second part. I will show you a video of how I put the second part together. Oh, but there's one more thing. For I really had to force myself to finish Vader, and my forced me to advertise the channel a bit more. That happened a few days back. Look. It's brutal. It's brutal. So if you want to save my head from getting whacked by my force me, subscribe, please. Leave a like, leave a comment, follow on social media. It feels wrong to say it, but please do. And now look at the assembly of the home for this helmet. I think everyone can see where it is going now. And I took the time to do a stop motion animation with the helmet and the helmet stand to illustrate its potential. Isn't this like the coolest thing ever? Have you ever seen a Vader helmet do stuff like this? Have you ever seen merchandise that does this? Maybe it's out there, but it's not from cardboard. So I want to watch it again. Look at it, and it's so easy. Here I can just put the helmet in there, and then there's a ridge here on the back where I can just insert it in here, and then okay, it's hard to do it when I'm sitting. Whoop. I am so happy that I finished. I will play a little bit with the helmet. I won't put it on, for it's not very comfortable. Thanks for watching. I hope you have some ideas for yourself. Hope this is inspiring just to do stuff, even if it seems a bit too big for yourself. Try to get better, and yeah, do stuff that you like, build stuff that you like, and it will have a good effect on you and everyone around you. For when you are happy, people that love you are happy. Thanks for watching. Mr. Vader and me, we say bye-bye. Hope to see you again. Bye!